Hello, creative minds and game developers everywhere. Developer using engines like Unity or Unreal, get ready for a golden opportunity you absolutely cannot miss.
Fuck you, bitches.
For 2 weeks only, 3 professional asset packs worth hundreds of dollars are available completely free. These aren't just ordinary assets. They are premium tools that will elevate your projects to a whole new level. In this video, we'll dive deep into each pack, show you exactly what they do, and give you ideas on how you can integrate them into your next big project. Let's start this free asset adventure. We start with the matte painting Skybox pack, Chaotic Skies. As the name suggests, this pack is all about epic skies, specifically chaotic and stormy atmospheres. The key feature here is that these are not simple images. They are high-resolution digital matte paintings, often in 4K or 8K. The pack offers a variety of animated skyboxes simulating storms, highly dramatic cloud formations, and dark, brooding environments. This is perfect for horror games, action titles, post-apocalyptic settings, or any scene that demands a strong sense of tension and drama. Usage is incredibly simple. Replace your project's default sky with one of these creations and watch your dull scene transform into a vibrant, exciting backdrop with a single click. It's the perfect catalyst to start your next project with a professional visual touch. From the sky to the ground, we move to the Laketown environment. This pack is a real treasure for anyone working on fantasy, medieval, or even village simulation games. Laketown provides a complete, ready-to-use environment for a village built on or near water. It contains a massive collection of 3D models, including wooden huts, bridges, jetties, boats, and aquatic vegetation, all with a consistent and charming art style. What makes these assets special is their detail. They are designed using PBR, physical-based rendering techniques, giving them high realism in lighting and shadows. You can use this as a base for an entire level in your game, or to create beautiful, natural cinematics. Developer tip: the assets here are modular, meaning you can disassemble the houses and reassemble the pieces into countless different shapes, creating an endless variety of buildings without repetition. Leverage the pack's flexibility to build your unique town. And now we get to the most exciting element: Futuristic Warrior, Cyber Warrior. If you need a futuristic hero or a formidable enemy for your sci-fi or cyberpunk game, this is the warrior you've been waiting for. This 3D model is an advanced warrior character, intricately designed with mechanical armor details and futuristic lighting elements. The model boasts high professionalism in its poly count and texture mapping. Typically, these characters come fully rigged, and sometimes they include basic animations, making them ready to be programmed and dropped into your game immediately without complex setup. Imagine the story. This cyber warrior is guarding the gate of Laketown. Integrating this character into an unexpected environment like the Water Village can create a stunning artistic contrast and open the door to unique and creative storylines. Don't stick to the norm. Be creative. In summary, we have an unbeatable combination: epic skies from matte painting Skybox pack, chaotic skies, a complete fantasy environment with Laketown, and a professional cyberpunk character with futuristic warrior Cyber Warrior. Don't miss out. These packs are free for a limited time starting today and for 2 weeks only. All you have to do is click the links provided in the description box, add them to your asset store account, and they are yours to keep forever. Have you downloaded them already? Let me know in the comments. Which pack are you most excited about? And what kind of game are you planning to make with these assets? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-saving opportunities and dream-achieving tips in the world of game development. See you in the next video.